Hey, it's Sean with a quick tip for macOS. You probably already know that the help menu is great for helping you learn how to do things in a certain app. But did you know that you can also use it to find things in the menu? So here I am in Logic Pro, and I want to find the mastering assistant. So here I am in the help menu search. I type in mastering assistant, and it shows me right here where it is in the menu, and then I can open it, and there you go. This was a godsend for me when I was first learning Unity. The instructor, when I brought up the help menu, they thought I was talking about the manual, but actually I was talking about finding things in the menu, and it was very helpful when I was first starting out.